This is the 4th year we're doing these collectible platters. So these are all new designs. You're going to want to get one to add to your collection or just start today. They're absolutely beautiful. They are a 15-inch platter, and they have gorgeous new designs. 6 payments of $5.
Amazing.
And you're also getting free shipping and handling on these as well. This will be the only time you're going to see these until tonight at 7 o'clock, and this is the only order we have.
That's right.
So when these sell out, that's what I mean when I say collectible, they will not ever be back. So, and they come with this beautiful
gift box and the plate stand. So the plate stand is not just a prop, that's actually going to be included in it.
Which is never the case.
Or usually not.
You usually don't get a plate. So that is so cool. Okay, so let's take a close look at each design.
So as you just mentioned, it's the 4th year that we've been doing this, and I love that we've carried the tradition of kind of what we call our winter scenes. So this is what we call our sleigh. If you can take a peek right here, it's got that beautiful Christmas tree, all of the ornaments on the tree. The tree is completely decorated. You have that gorgeous sleigh with all of the packages wrapped in your floral lace and old world. There we have, of course, the mailbox with the cardinal on the top that I do in honor of my father. So this is what we call our fireplace.
Oh, this is so sweet.
I'm sorry, not our fireplace. Forgive me. Our sleigh.
How detailed, though,
Isn't that so pretty?
It's just gorgeous.
All hand painted, as you mentioned, 15 by 15 inches. So if you've picked up our dinner plates before, I just wanted to kind of give you the visual of how much larger this really is. So round in shape. Hello. There's the dinner plate. There's, of course, the beautiful platter. Then we move over next door. Here is going to actually be our kitchen scene.
The kitchen scene.
Look how sweet. Santa's baking cookies. And then all of the little critters are there to help him, from our snowman here, which, by the way, he has a new name. Our penguin, she has a new name, Penny. And then our gingerbread, of course, that's our gumdrop. Isn't that adorable?
So cute.
So cute.
I love the little snowman helping with the door.
Isn't that adorable? He's Mr. Bo Jingles.
Oh, my
We asked the customers to help us name, and they did.
Bo Jingles. I love it.
Adorable.
Oh my gosh.
And then last but not least, we have there the fireplace scene, and that's going to have your stockings. All of the critters there, of course, are down helping with all of the packages. So super sweet. And that's what I love. The traditions not only of these patterns that we only bring out this time of year, but the fact that we then we put it with stoneware, and it makes it that much more versatile.
So just like every other piece of Temp-tations stoneware, they are oven safe to 500 degrees if you should want to put them in the oven. They are also dishwasher and microwave safe, scratch resistant. They keep warm things warm, cold things cold.
Absolutely.
Really, really beautiful presentation too. Because even if the whole plate is covered, the very edge of it is just gorgeous.
Yeah, and I love that you mentioned that. It's not just a round. It actually has that kind of fluting that runs around. You have that rope detail. And here we made a beautiful rustic apple tart where we actually bake that right on there. So you don't need your metal cookie sheet. You don't need a cutting board. You're literally preparing on this platter, putting it in the oven up to 500 degrees, bringing it to the table, slicing on it, everything you can possibly imagine. And the best part is all of your food is delicious because even heating all the way around.
So let me show you guys, Tara's showing you some more things. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous.
Isn't that adorable?
So let me take this off. I want you to see that you're also getting the wooden display holder.
Isn't that beautiful?
I mean, those are so hard to find, especially big ones like this, and it's included, and the gift box. So let me just put this back up. So you're also getting the whole thing.
I love this. I love the tradition of this.
With the to and from tag. So isn't that a lovely gift idea? And give it to them early so they can use it over the holiday season. And it makes just, even when you're not using it, a gorgeous decoration.
I was just going to say, it's nice to be able to leave it out. You know, we always tell you to decorate with your platters, but then we don't always give you the pieces to do that. So look at what we did here, some of our holiday fun where we actually baked. We have a 5-piece bowl set you'll see later this evening at 7 p.m. Little sneak peek there. We baked in this bowl set, and then we stacked them and decorated them. Look how sweet that on your platter. But then also think about it for your hams, for your roasts, for the what I call the heroes at your holiday table. We did a beautiful maple glazed ham here. This is actually a recipe from our cookbook, which is also available. That's our Taste of Home holiday cookbook.
Is this new this year?
No, this is a returning favorite that we bring back this time. Yes.
So Tara has great cookbooks, easy format.
You'll love this.
Great to
Super
read.
Easy, great recipes, and we partnered with the folks of Taste of Home there.
Okay, excellent.
So that's awesome. So again, whether you're doing something baked goods, whether you're baking something on there, look down front in the ledge. I just want to give you some some other ideas.
Okay.
Because I think when we're thinking about centertaining, so centertaining for us is using our pieces not only with food, but also then for entertaining and decorating. So we made that beautiful centerpiece there where we just layered in some fairy lights, something as simple as that. We did a flameless candle, something as simple as that. But then look how beautiful it is. Your charcuterie board has never looked better. You remember you can put this in the fridge and the freezer.
And it keeps that cheese and meat
nice and chilly.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look how beautiful that presentation is.
I mean, these platters are just gorgeous. And I know, look, you can get Christmas platters anywhere, but these are collectible because they match your Temp-tations.
Yes.
And Tara only does a new set once a year.
This time.
So when these sell out, these will not be back. Let's look at all the designs again.
Okay.
Because you are getting a choice of 3, and they're all very detailed. So if our cameraman can come in and really take a look at each one.
Thank you.
And we'll try
I'll
to
tip
hit
it. Sure.
Set it so the glare is off. So let's spend just a couple seconds just looking at this one. So you can see the tree so detailed, the sleighs stacked with presents, and then that beautiful little cardinal, your daddy's cardinal, with his little hat on the mailbox.
And there's some cards for you in there.
That's filled with cards.
Of course.
I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Look at the details. So beautiful.
Yes, I love that.
So that one is called Sleigh. Then over here, we have
this is our oven. We call this oven, and that's Santa. He's got his old world mitts, which you're going to see later in the show. His little apron.
And
there's
of course
little man
Bojangles helping with the oven door.
Mr. Bojangles. And then of course Penny the Penguin is helping, and Gumdrop. Thank you guys, for everybody who chipped in and helped us name that. Isn't that adorable with the backsplash?
I think you need to make us a stove.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Gorgeous. But yes, the oven mitts are coming up later in the show.
Yes.
And then down here,
love this one too.
Let me
this is our fireplace, right? So Santa's there by the fireplace. Everybody's helping him wrap the presents. The stockings are hung with care.
Oh my
really,
gosh.
truly, what I love about these scenes is they've become iconic, and this is that one time of year we bring these in.
Adorable. 600 ordered. Sleigh is the most popular.
You're getting a
this
sneak
is
peek.
the only order. This is brand new.
Yes.
You guys are the first ones seeing it. So get as many sets as you want. Remember, it comes with the plate stand and the gift box. So choose the one you want. You get the whole thing with free shipping, just $5 on your credit card. This is under
I gotta
$30.
show you something so cute. Take a peek right down there. You're gonna love this.
Oh no!
Look what we
did
did with our cute little pear. Well, we didn't show it. We did a little turkey with your cheese and crackers.
Oh,
and the little pear.
How
fun is that?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna totally steal that.
You may, my friend.
That is so cute, you guys. Look at
Isn't that so fun? Just these are those pieces that you truly you bring them out this time of year, and they create the traditions and the memories.
Oh, honey. So
I love this piece.
People have been collecting these now. This is the 4th year. But if you have missed the others, they're all gone. They're only here one time, but you can still get this new set from Temp-tations. So these mini mitts are always much in demand. They're coming up in gift sets later in the show.
Yeah,
just
see you later.
She'll be back.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so we want to remind everybody that there's free shipping on everything today. Everything. So it's not